So what we have here is sort of a little quiz, and it's items 1 through 6, and we're asked to determine whether these graphs represent a function or not. And the tool we're going to use for it is called the vertical line test. So what is that? And I think the best I could do is imagine the edge of this protractor is the vertical line. So we set it up along the edge of our diagram, and we're going to pass this vertical line over the face of our graph. And the question is, does this vertical line intersect the graph in more than one place? And I'll give you an example. So for instance, when the graph is here, or I should say the vertical line is here, it's intersecting in one place. And as you continue to move it over the face of the graph, does it just intersect the red line, the graph, in one place? If so, we say it passes the vertical line test, and it is a function. So we'll pause now, and you're just going to write 1 to 6 on your paper and tell me yes or no, and you should be able to defend your answer. So as we look at this one, the answer is yes, it does pass the vertical line test and therefore is a function. As we do it for this one as well, it passes the vertical line test. So this is a function. Now we have a horizontal line. Does a horizontal line pass the vertical line test? And it does. So this is a function. Now that was a horizontal line. Oh. And how about now the vertical line itself? And you might recall that this is like maybe x equals 2. Vertical line, the formula x equals 2. This one would be y equals 2 up there. Now does this pass the vertical line test? Again, as we move our imaginary vertical line, when we get to the vertical line, it intersects an infinite number of places. So this is not a function. And a typical circle, or in whatever I've drawn there, as you start to go right here, for instance, it's intersecting here and here. So this does not pass the vertical line test. So this is not a function. Now, this is a typical sine wave. Again, as you move your vertical line, imaginary vertical line over the face of the graph, does it intersect in only one place at a time? Yes. So this is a function. Okay, hopefully this is helpful.